I speak with them. Ven con la mamá, ven.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah. It's
Oh,
beautiful.
she's gonna be safe. Her mama knows where she is.
the
Is
mama
watching
is near.
her.
I will
Oh,
call
look, there
her.
you go.
Mama. Ven. Ven, mama, ven. She is still like in this tree.
She in this tree,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yes. But the birds is in the morning is here.
Mhm.
No, I found here,
Mhm.
and then he moved here, but now I don't
Nice.
see. Yeah.
Well, it's nice to see them fly away.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's.
Ooh.
I will send you this video, Anna.
Oh my gosh. Everyone told me, why isn't your patio they find a tree no under the.
Yes.
Yes. It is second year. The last year they
Really?
did. Yes, you see the here. This is the last year.
Mm-hmm.
The first.
Oh, yeah?
Yes. Also the
They like it here.
I think it's everything is like alive. You feel better. You feel good.
Yes.
You keep
Yes.
it.
You do.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. I sit there a long time and she come, she feed the birds, Mama, ve con tu mamá, ¿eh? Anda, sal ya. Sal de ahí. Salte ya, salte. ¿Sí? ¿Estás lista? ¿Mm?
Are you ready?
Yes, are you ready? Mama, flying, flying. Yes, yes. You see? Flying, Mama, flying. Yes. Again, flying, 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 Mama, flying.
She understands Spanish.
Yeah, yes, yes, yes. The energy no have language.
No.
Oh, I love
Because-
that.
Because
Love
they
that.
feel the
They feel it.
feeling.
Yeah.
They feel
Yes.
safe.
Mhm.
So it's like you maybe I speak in Spanish and you say, what do you say? You feel
They
that.
can tell. Yeah,
Yeah.
you're right. I agree.
Fly, Mama.
Hi, sweet.
Vuela, vuela.
She's
Vamos.
so ready.
Yeah. Is there?
Oh,
Is
look.
the Mama? I call her. Is the Mama?
Is that the one?
Mama, ven, 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 ven. Ven, no. Two like this, they don't move. I say, I will take a picture.
Yeah, he's just getting comfortable.
He's
Oh.
He's preening.
Uh-huh. Yes, he's cleaning. Come on, vuela, vamos.
Vamos.
I have to go. Pica flor.
So you've had this nest that you saw them when they were just, when the mother was sitting on the nest and the eggs and all that?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I see
Tiny
all.
little babies.
Yeah.
How you say hummingbird in French?
No,
Colibri.
that in Spanish is the same.
Okay.
Colibri.
Colibri.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, is it? Remember the French, Italian, and Portuguese, and
Yes.
Espanol is
Similar. Yeah.
the same.